Dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed regarding the memory representation of queues. In that, two types of memory representation. One is memory representation of queue using arrays. The other one is memory representation of queue using linked list. Now, regarding queues, today we are going to discuss a last topic, that is the applications of queues. So, without taking more time, we shall move to the topic applications of queues. Applications of queue. As everything is having its own applications, just like stack is having its application, and the same way here, queue is also having its own applications. Come, let us see which are the applications of queues. The first one is simulation. Simulation. Okay, what the simulation means? It means the preparation of computer model of a computer model of something especially for the purpose of especially for the purpose of study. So here simulation means it is preparing a computer model, preparing a computer model of something, any topic, okay, regarding your computer syllabus also, or regarding any other thing. So totally here simulation means it's a preparation of computer model of some topic which is used for the purpose of study. So this is called as simulation here. Okay, next come. We shall see which is the second application. The second application is various features of operating system. Various features of operating system. Okay, in your first PUC you have discussed about the features of operating system. Okay, many features are there, just like operating system must be a graphical user interface system. Okay, then operating system acts as an interface between the computer user and the computer hardware. Like this, there are many features are there in operating system. So stack is used in, it is very much useful for simulation. It means for the preparation of computer model regarding some topic which is used for the purpose of study. And also here queues are also used for the features of operating system. Come, we shall see which are the features of operating systems are there. Operating systems often maintain a queue. Often maintain a queue. Operating system often maintain a queue of processes that are ready to execute or that are waiting waiting for the particular event to occur. Particular event to occur. Okay. In operating system, it is basically it acts like a bridge between the computer user and the computer hardware. Here, operating system often maintain a queue. It will maintain a queue. How it will maintain a queue? I will explain you. If you are working with C++ in front, okay, it will allow you to work with C++, okay. And in second thing, okay, if you are working with SQL, then it will allow you to work with the SQL at the same time. But you cannot work with both SQL and C++ at the same time. First you can work with C++, okay, then you can minimize C++, then you have to start with SQL. Then it will allow you to work with SQL. By the same time, if you are playing some songs in the background, the songs are going to play. Like this, it will prepare a queue. In queue, first is C++, then we have created a queue. First we have opened C++, next we have opened SQL, then we are playing some songs. It means one by one after the other. Okay, here in these three events in a queue, okay, that are ready to execute. If you are executing a program in C++ that is ready for the execution, and you have created a table in SQL and you have left it for the execution, then that is waiting for its execution. Like this, operating system will maintain a queue. Okay, some processes are working and some processes are waiting for the particular event to occur, means for its time they are waiting. Okay, for this type of operating system features, here queues are used. Come, we shall see the third application of queue. Third one is multi-programming platform systems. Multi-programming platform is the same thing I have explained. First we have opened C++, then SQL, then playing songs. Along with that, we have opened a VLC player. There also we are working with. We have opened a VLC player in a small window, and there we are playing a video. Now, multi-programming totally. One is C++, then SQL, then playing a song. Along with that, in VLC player in the corner of your monitor, you also playing a video. There are four types of programming working with SQL. So this is called as working with queue. Okay, so this is called as multi-programming platform systems. In this type of applications, in multi-programming platform systems, queues are also used. So come, we shall see the next application. That is the fourth one is different types of scheduling algorithms. Different types of scheduling algorithms. Okay, different types of scheduling algorithms means, here what is meant by scheduling algorithm? In processing something, okay, which step is need to be executed at first, or which is the thing which is need to be executed at first, or which thing which is need to be executed at last. This is called scheduling. Okay, for this type there are some algorithms are placed. So I will explain you, or I will give you the names of few algorithms which are called as scheduling algorithms. They are first come, first come, first serve. First come, first serve scheduling. This can be called as FCFS. First come, first serve scheduling. The next is first job test. First job test scheduling. First job test scheduling, FJT. Like this. These are the two types of algorithms. Many algorithms are there. Basically, these algorithms are used in a queue because I mean to say that queue is helpful in this type of algorithm. Those are called as scheduling algorithm. Scheduling algorithm is the one which is or which maintains something where which can be executed at first and which can be executed at last in for achieving CPU processes. So for that thing, here queues are used. There are two types basically: first come and first serve scheduling algorithm. The next one is first job test scheduling algorithm. Many scheduling algorithms are there. Regarding those things, I have, for your reference, I have given these two algorithms. For scheduling algorithms also, here queues are used. Come, we shall see the next application. Round robin technique. A round robin technique or algorithm. Round robin technique or algorithm. Okay. What is meant by round robin technique? Okay, round robin technique is a technique for generating ideas in a group. Okay, we have a group of a persons are there. Okay, there if those persons want to generate some ideas regarding some work or some process, at that time they will use the round robin technique or the round robin algorithm. Okay, so under this type of algorithm or technique, queues are used. So this is one of the applications of queues. The next one is printer server routines. Printer server routines. So here printer server routines means in every networking system. Okay, think this as a networking system where many computers are connected to one computer. This is called as a server, and these are all called as clients. Okay, these are all called as clients. So this is the main thing, that is server. And then printer. Printer means just one printer is connected to the whole network. If you give print from any of these computers, then you will get the printout from the only single printer which is connected as a network printer. There is no need of individual printer for every computer. Okay, by just one printer. If we make it as a network printer, then if you try to give print from any of these computers, either from server or from the clients, all are the computers only. These are also computers, and this one is also a computer. If you want to give printout from any of these computers, then you will get printout from the single printer. Okay, in this type of printer server routines, queues are used. because five persons are sitting in five different computers. Okay, one person is sitting in server and four persons are sitting according to my diagram, and four persons are sitting on clients. If all the five of them will give print at the same time, then what will happen? The first person who will give the print at first will be given printout from the printer, and all the remaining 4% printouts are kept in a queue, one before one after the other. Okay, so this is called as printer server routines. In this type of systems, queues are used for maintaining or for maintaining routines of this printer server techniques in networking systems. Okay, come we shall see the next application, the seventh application, that is various application softwares various applications software is also based on is also based on queue data structure. Based on queue data structure. Okay, listen. Application softwares just like C++, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, SQL, and others, they are called as application softwares, but not the operating systems. Okay, application softwares, types of softwares we have discussed. Okay, system software, application software. Okay, like this utility software. Among those in application software, application softwares are those which are created according to the need of the user. Based on the needs of the user, these application softwares are created. Okay, in this type of application softwares, these type of application softwares are created based on queue data structure. Queue is a classification of data structure. This can be called as queue data structure. Application softwares are Microsoft Office, okay, VLC media player, or your C++, then Tally, then SQL. These are all application softwares. The software which is built based on the needs of the user, that type of software we can call it as application software. In building this type of application software, two data structures are used. So we shall see the next application. Operating systems often maintain a queue of processes that are ready to execute or that are waiting for a particular event to occur. As I have already explained, the same thing is repeated again here. Okay, in various features of operating system. Okay, there I have explained the same thing as application. It is again repeated here. Operating systems often maintain a queue. It will maintain a queue, just like, okay, what I have explained. Basically, first we will open C++, then SQL, then we will play songs. At the same time, it will prepare a queue of all these things. First it will keep C++, after that it will keep SQL, then it will keep playing songs one after the other, like this. First this one come. If we minimize this one, it will go. Then this one will come in your front screen. Then after that, the third thing will come on your front screen, like that. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing, it will come again. Third thing will come on your screen, like this. It will keep a queue. Okay, where the process. Okay, the first thing which is present in the screen, this is ready for the execution. Okay, and that are waiting for a particular event, and two more things we have kept in behind this first thing, and two more things we have kept in behind this. So these behind things are waiting for its execution time. Okay, so under this situation also queues are used. Okay, so these are some of the basic applications of queues. Hope you have understood all these things. In our next class we shall going to discuss regarding one more classification of data structure, that is linked list. What is actually the linked list, and what are the types of linked list, and which are the applications performed on linked list, and how the linked list memory representation can be done. All these things we are going to discuss in our next class. If you have any doubt regarding the applications of queues, you can ask me personally. Thank you.